true dimensional, strong, old construction type versus the new stuff with the OSB, the gusset plates, the glue, all the other things that make our job a lot more dangerous, put off a lot more products of combustion, a lot more high pressure situations. And really, both of them just come down to time. And at UL with the truss roof, right? So a pitched roof situation is very common with a truss construction type on the interior. So having the true dimensional with UL doing direct fire impingement, you have about a half hour before that thing fails. Whereas what we're running to, and I said Clarksburg because of the new construction era, like right around, the two quarter stuff like that. Yes, that comes up in Bethesda and everywhere else. But just saying new construction, you have less than 5 minutes before that thing collapses. So to me, saying that you have a two-story single family pitched roof, legacy constructed type five, I know I have time. I have more time than if this was a two-story